Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to save and load in Crimson Desert. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key or the menu key on your controller. From there, navigate to Other, Options, and then Save Load Game. Here you can select an empty slot and create a new save file by pressing Save, delete a save file by pressing Delete, and you can load the game by simply pressing Load. And, well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.